This is a demonstration of exercise 2.1, which is on page 12 of your book. This is your chord progression exercise for this week. The exercise shows you how to do it in C major and C minor. I'm going to walk you through how to think through that process on both the major and the minor, and then there are going to be other videos that show you transposing each one of those exercises to all 12 keys. Okay, so what we're looking at is a 1-5-1 cadence pattern. So in C major, that's C and then G. So C, E, G, and then G, B, D. All right, but we're gonna do it in all sorts of different voicings. Your left hand always takes the root. 1-5-1. Your right hand, we're gonna start by putting the root in the fifth finger, so in the soprano, if you want to think about it that way, and then the fifth in the second finger, and the third in the first finger. Okay, so we get this. Now we're going to go to G, and our job is to find our way to the closest version of GBD that we can find, with as much stepwise motion as we can accomplish. And that's pretty easy because we can just bring our C down to a B, and we can take our E down to a D. So then we get, and now we got it, okay? Now we're gonna invert it. Left hand stays the same. Now we're gonna put the third in our fifth finger in the soprano. So we get this. Root's here, fifth is here. And then again, we're gonna try and find our way to the closest G. So we have C, and then the closest G major chord is just right there. One more time and put the fifth in our fifth finger, or the fifth in the soprano part. So there's our C chord, and then our G chord, closest thing available is right here. So the pattern on the whole in C major looks like this. The idea. Now when we get to C minor, our one chord is going to be minor now. So instead of an E natural, we get an E flat. That's what we get for C minor. But the 5 chord is always major, even in a minor key. So we're going to think of raising that third and continuing to play G major. See how that looks? The soprano is in our, or the root is in our fifth finger here. Now we're gonna invert it and put the root, or put the third in our fifth finger. And then invert it one more time, put the fifth in our fifth finger. So doing just the minor version will look like this.